Yes, we're here checking the yard, the water line. These are the two backflows. That's our truck there. It's Sydney. So this is the meter I want to show you. Right now, meter is open. This is what we get. That meter is not spinning at all. I mean, we've been watching that and it's not doing anything. It's not even move at all. So So we can check the inside, but honestly, there's probably either a faucet dripping somewhere or a toilet, but we don't see anything at the yard, the main line right now, and there is no reason. I mean, this is right now. We got somebody open the faucet right now in the inside. You can see that spinning. And eventually that's gonna stop now. Yeah, right now it stopped. So this is an indication of any very tiny drip, but this is inside of the building.